Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Google AdSense balance. This is a quick and essential task for anyone monetizing their website or content, as it allows you to keep track of your earnings and know exactly how much you've accumulated. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the Google account that's linked to your AdSense, as this is where all your earnings data is stored. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the AdSense homepage. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where all the key sections of your AdSense account are organized. Look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This section is specifically designed to handle everything related to your earnings, payment methods, and transaction history. Once you've clicked on Payments, you'll see a submenu appear below it with additional options. From this submenu, click on Payments Info. This is the hub where AdSense displays all the critical details about your account balance and payment status. It might take a moment for the page to fully load, especially if you have a lot of transaction history, so just give it a second. Now that you're on the Payments Info page, take a look at the screen. You'll see a section clearly labeled Your Earnings. This is exactly what you're looking for. The number displayed here represents your current balance, showing how much money you've earned that hasn't been paid out yet. This figure updates regularly based on your ad performance and clicks, so checking it periodically helps you stay informed about your progress. And that's it. You've now successfully checked your Google AdSense balance. It's a straightforward process that gives you instant access to your earnings information whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.